Hello, my name is Christina and let me welcome you to the video presentation of 2 incorrect impressions about being wealthy. This article is written by Rishon B and this video presentation is brought to you by attractingabundancehq.com. The release of The Secret had caused a lot of discussions about becoming rich. Due to these discussions, people tend to give their opinions and others have taken it as the truth. In this article, I will talk about these incorrect impressions that you need to avoid. You would have a simpler time working on being rich when you just observe the ideas talked about in this particular article. Nevertheless, you would truly have a difficult time working on being rich when you observe the rules of these wrong beliefs. Speaking from my very own experience, you ought to have peace of mind so as to work on being rich easily. You would have a hard time if you are not in this particular state. If you resist, then you can be confused, hence blocking the flow of wealth into your life. First incorrect impression: constantly be positive. Yet again, speaking from my very own experience, and my clients will agree with me when I say that this isn't true. You truly cannot control what specifically to think each and every minute of the day. This is simply not possible. In addition, when you force yourself to do that, you can be dissatisfied with yourself if you are a bit negative. It can turn into a bad cycle as you resist more. You should not judge yourself for having destructive thoughts so as to stop the cycle. Just consider no matter that enters your mind. You cannot simply consider optimistic thoughts in view of the fact that altering things as they truly are can be unproductive. You have the alternative to take time off throughout the day and imagine that you've already accomplished your objective. Throughout these instances, simply be positive and truly feel that you have already attained what you've always wanted. Doing this recurrently might make you truly hopeful without trying hard or too hard. You would be shocked that you do not have as to try as hard in view of the fact that this occurs naturally. Incorrect impression number 2: attracting anytime, anything is possible. This is kind of tricky. It is believed that individuals might attract whatever thing they truly desire immediately. It is essential to truly believe that you can accomplish what you truly desire. Even though we truly have hard time to believe that we may accomplish something, we unconsciously think otherwise. This is a consequence of the actuality we exist in. Try to not fight this battle. You ought to permit it to be part of your life and handle it. To be able to attain something, it's a lot better to start with small goals. In doing so, you can develop the method of truly believing you can reach it. Then you can aim for your greater goals. This will truly make things a lot better. The aforementioned are the two wrong beliefs concerning being wealthy. The very next thing you ought to do right after reading this particular article is to know the way you ought to fight these detrimental ideas. And then you ought to let go of these detrimental thoughts. Everyone is at liberty to be rich, and I'm hoping that this particular article will enable you to reach your goals. These are my resources. My website at http://attractingabundancehq.com. Watch the step-by-step blueprint for attracting anything you want into your life at http://attractingabundancehq.com /video reveals step by step blueprint for attracting anything you want. How to manifest absolutely anything and see results in 2 days flat without silly fluff, Jedi mind power skills, or years of practice guaranteed at http:// manifestaltoday.com/manifestanything. And lastly, Effortless Abundance Blueprint, the synergy of internal peace and external success at http://effortlessabundancesite.com. Thank you and have a nice day.